So today's project is to get the pet sperm riding his first tricycle bike. So I picked this one up from our next door neighbour who repairs and does old bikes with a pricey sum of 700 baht, which my grandmother was very disappointed because she thinks I was being ripped off. But given that it's got all the plastic still on it, I reckon it maybe hasn't done that many kilometres. So first problem was the trike wheels immediately proceeded to explode into 1,000 parts. So new set of training wheels. So looking at the design, I decided to add in a washer on the back end and then just put some chassis grease in there to try and smooth things along. Yeah, and definitely one of the grossest jobs so far has been using a pick to get all the hair or whatever the hell it was caught up in the... So I'm not quite sure. Yeah, I think it's animal, it's not human. Maybe Labrador, Dalmatian. If anyone in the comment section recognises the hair, let me know. Tastes a little bit salty. Next job, grab a bit of silicone, take off all the cables, straighten them out, and then put some silicone spray down the top of them, and then set the brakes, which are these are the old horseshoe brakes which never sit well. Next step is just a little dash of brake cleaner on the brake mating surfaces to make sure they're clean. Is it good? Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to go by yourself? Go, go, go! Push! Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Yeah, look at you go, buddy.